Hi everyone, I am Adriana Natalia Peña Sanchez. Today I am going to tell you something about my life. I was born on June 14, 1993 at 7 o'clock at night in San Vicente de Chucurí in the hospital San Juan de Dios. When I was 5 years old, I suffered an accident for disobeying my father and trying to go home alone with my cousin. When my father arrived at the place of the accident, they took me directly to the hospital, but not one of the doctors or nurse realized that I had fraudulent let it was my mother who decided to take off my uniform is wheelchair, and that's when she screamed at me. It is when I screamed in pain that the doctor realized that I had a fracture in the ankle of my right leg. At that time there was nothing to treat a fracture, and I was transferred to the city of Bucaramanga to the Santa Teresa Clinic, where I was treated and received the necessary care. I was cast for a one where I had to go to the school in a wheelchair. At the age at the age of 9 years, the company where my mother worked with, which and the ESA, and moved to the city of Bucaramanga. We came to live in Real de Minas in the Orange Street and began to study third grade. At the National School of Commerce, but only did that year in the school 4 and 5 primary study near the new place where we spent, that was the Aurora neighborhood. In the neighborhood, Lazy living at 5 years. When I was my 15 years birthday was celebrated with a party with all my family and friends. It was a great day for me. In 2010, I graduated from a high school in Nuestra Señora del Pilar. In 2012, I started studying environmental technology career. I studied but did not fit because I did not like the practical part, and since I started I did not feel I was my team. And 2014, I started working in a clothing store. Was my first job and the beginning of my working life. I am always grateful for the opportunity because I learned many things that today have served me a lot. In 2019, I was presented with an opportunity to work in Atento Bucaramanga, I was for years, where it appears I was not easy to deal with the Spanish, but thank God, I managed to have a good performance. In In 2020, I began to study the career that I had always wanted to study, which is a degree in foreign language with emphasis in English because I had always liked the English language. And my dream has always been to become an English teacher and follow in footsteps of my father. The university which I am studying is the National Open and Distance UNA until today. Thank you for your attention.